to use this application to get you started. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned. Starlink App device, and you're wondering how to set it up with application that they have at Play Store or App Store. It's very easy. Here you can go ahead and order it. If you have never ordered, you can go on their website. We'll pretty much direct you to their website. So all you have to do, I do recommend you checking if there's any obstruction which can block the signal or anything like that. Just tap on check for obstructions, and you're pretty much good to go. Once you have followed the instruction, read through everything, you should be good to go. And also do make sure before you do anything, always make sure you go through this video at the top here so you know what you're doing. If you still do not understand, you can check out other videos on YouTube which pretty much show you how the step-by-step process of when they are ordering the product, and also when they get it, and also when they setting it up using this application here that I'm about to show you as well. So all you have to do is just tap on the start option here, start setup, and this is pretty much important. So do make sure you set the right thing based on your kit that you're using. As you can see here, it does show you the size and pretty much everything. You can just look at the image. By looking at the image, you will know which one you have. So you pretty much know which one you ordered off the website. So as you can see here, quite a lot of them as well. So once you have done that, select your kit, just tap on confirm, and it should be breeze for you to set up. All you have to do is read your instruction, and you're pretty much good to go. If you have already checked for obstruction, all you have to do is tap on I have a clear view. It will pretty much show you to plug it in and so forth. It's very, very simple, guys. And yeah, if you have any questions, I would gladly love to help you out in the comment section as well. And yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for more.